Mae pencampwriaeth Euros menywod 2025 bron yma. A mae rheolwr Cymru, Rhian Wilkinson, di penderfynu cyhoeddi'r garfan mewn lleoliad arbennig iawn. 1000 o fetra uwch yn penna ni, fyny fwncwr yma ar GOPA'R Wyddfa.
There's something about this mentality of the why not. I think outside of Wales, you can look at rankings and think whatever you want. But what if we just give it everything we have? And I think what people will realize is that Wales is passion and the desire to play for themselves, but their families and their country is unparalleled.
Of course, you're in the squad. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's literally a dream come true. Like, I know it's cliche to say that, but yeah, when you're kicking the ball around in your garden as a little girl, that is what you dream of, to go to a major tournament. To be here as well with this view, I think it's all, yeah, it's all finally sunk in, I think.
It's incredible. I've literally had the best morning ever, just being on top of the mountain, and great atmosphere, great vibes, and yeah, we're just really excited to get going, really.
And you've got a gift, you've got a teddy bear.
I have got a teddy bear.
Nice. Is that coming with you to...
That is my little mascot. It's coming with me, yeah. This is the start of his journeys.
Who's the silliest or the cheekiest person in the squad?
Ooh, they're all characters. I think Lois Joel, she comes across as quite quiet, but she's got cheekiness in her for sure.
You need some people like that in the dressing room.
We've got a few. We have more than one or two, yeah, but Lois always surprises me, Lois, some of the things she's saying.
A dyna ni, mae'r 23 chwaraewr lwcus wedi cael ei dewis ymlaen at yr Euros. Ac mae Rhian di gofyn am spot fi ar y tren, felly. Gan bo fi mod yn byw Llanber, fi am gerad lawr. Age.